In this short video, we will demonstrate how to add a natal chart to our application. On our main screen, we will tap on the Birthplace button. We enter the Natal Charts Management page. Let's tap on the Add Person button. Then we'll fill in the birth data. I will add the fictional character Martina, but you can add whoever you like. Add your own data if you haven't done so yet, or a family member, someone who is in your heart, a friend, a famous person, etc. We'll select female gender, which is not mandatory, and we'll enter the date. Martina was born in 2003, on a very hot August night in Seville. Let's enter the time. The time of birth is fundamental. The more accurate it is, the better all this celestial mechanics will be interpreted to understand the complex backstage of our life. For that reason, I would like to mention that in one of the upcoming illustrative videos, which may be more useful for people whose time of birth is somewhat rounded or uncertain, we will use an interesting feature of our Chaldea application, a feature developed to help adjust the time of birth. Martina was born around 22 hours and 30 minutes. Generally, we should choose local legal time, which is the official current time at the place of birth, according to the time zone where the place is located. Let's search for the place of birth. And here it is, Seville in the autonomous community of Andalusia. Let's then tap on the floppy disk button to save the location. Let's accept. We will not explore the Manually Edit Geographic Data button, found at the bottom of the screen. But I can tell you that it is useful when the place of birth is not found. The database has numerous locations around the world, but when our place of birth is not present, sometimes I prefer to choose an existing place of birth as close as possible to the real one, instead of doing manual editing. However, manual editing can be very useful, especially for those who have good knowledge of geography. Now, let's tap on the floppy disk button to finally save the information. Let's review the data and accept. And there we go, we now have Martina in our database. Thank you for your attention, and until the next video.